Okay, 3 more problems. Lindsay is 9.2 meters up and the angle of depression from Lindsay to Pete. So let's just start drawing these people. Alright, here's Lindsay. Here's Lindsay's hair. 9.2 meters up. I don't really know what that means yet, so I'm going to say 9.2. I'm going to put that right there. Pete, chilling down here. Pete, wearing a cowboy hat. Alright, the angle of depression. So remember, Lindsay's looking straight out and then down at Pete. We'll just do it all the way to his feet. Looking at his feet for some reason, wondering why he's not wearing any shoes. Alright, that's 79 degrees. Alright, so I guess Lindsay's standing on a building. We'll make this building look a little prettier. Actually give it walls. The roof. She's standing on the roof. Alright. We need to find the distance from Pete to the base of the building. So we'll do green for grass. So we need this right here. We need to find this distance. So what I would do is I would remake my right triangle, or just emphasize it. It's going to be like this. Alright. Here's my right angle. And then this angle right here is 11 degrees. Alright. Because it's complementary to 79. And then from here, I got the opposite side, which is the distance I want to find. 9.2 is the adjacent side. So, and my good friend Toa, I'd be using tangent. And again, to me, it seems like tangent's the most useful in real life. At least finding distance is such as this, because you know the horizontal and vertical distances is really easier to calculate than slant distances. Cosine, sine, still useful, still popular. It just seems like tangents used the most. So Pete was actually very close to the building. He was 1.8 meters away. So realize our picture's not even really to scale. It's just more for reference to see the spatial relationships, what's where, what part's what, so on and so forth. Alright, cruising right along. A swimming pool is 3 feet deep in the shallow end. Alright. So let's do this. We're going to have the shallow end, and then it's going to drop to the deep end. It's going to be a nice gradual deep end drop. So actually we don't have a right triangle right now. This is kind of scary. Alright, we guess this is actually going to be this is actually a really ugly trapezoid, but that's for another unit. Alright, so it's 3 feet deep in the shallow end. So watch this. Now some cool things are going to happen. Alright. It's dropping down at 12 degrees, and the pool is 50 feet long. How deep is the deep end? So basically I'm just going to translate this 50 here. And we're going to calculate the pool, just ignoring the top of it. Alright, so we're going to calculate, we'll just call this X. I can call whatever I want. So, again, with respects to 12, I have the adjacent side, the opposite side. Again, we're using tangent a lot. We're focused on the toa part of SOHCAHTOA. So it's going to be tan 12 equals opposite X over adjacent 50. Then I need to cross multiply and solve. X equals tan 50 times tan 12. 10.6. So then the pool is 13.6 feet deep, because we had a plus 3. We had to plus this 3 to the end. If this is 10.6, that was 3, You have to add it all together. Alright, so that was a good problem right there. I like that one a lot. It's 46 degrees today. I don't think anyone's going to be going swimming though. Alright, a buoy in the ocean is observed from a 40-meter high oil rig. Alright, so here's my oil rig. Alright, this oil rig is 40 meters high. Right? Then there's a buoy chilling over here in the ocean, tethered to the ground. Those are the waves. Alright? So, the angle of depression is 6 degrees. How far is the buoy from the base of the oil rig? So what I'm going to do is just redraw this nice and pretty, or at least make it more concrete. Alright, so we got a 40, we got D. Now to translate this angle of depression, that's going to be 84 degrees right here. So another opposite and adjacent. So tangent of 84 equals opposite D over adjacent 40. Cross multiply. The distance from the buoy to the oil rig will be 40 times tan 84, which is about 300. Oops, I did that on my other calculator. 0.6. 40 tan 84. Alright, that's it for these notes. Make sure you submit them, knock them out of the park.